Jaguar is reinventing itself as a super-premium, all-electric brand, and the new four-door GT is its boldest move yet. Built on the bespoke JEA platform, it features dramatic proportions and a striking sculptural design. The Target, over 430 miles of range and more than 575 horsepower from a dual-motor AWD setup. This isn't just about looks, it's about thrilling, Jaguar-worthy performance. The GT marks Jaguar's move-up market, aiming to rival Porsche and Bentley with six-figure luxury and tech. Inside, expect exuberant British luxury driver-focused, expressive, and rich in materials. The design is clean, emotional, and a clear break from the past. This GT is the first of 3 new models, forming the core of Jaguar's electric rebirth. It's a high-stakes gamble, but if it works, Jaguar could reclaim its place among the world's most desirable brands. The electric GT is a statement. Jaguar is back, and it's aiming for the top. It's a car for those who want beauty, power, and exclusivity in the electric age. The future of Jaguar starts now. If you want a head-turner with heritage, keep your eyes on this one. The electric GT could be Jaguar's E-Type moment for a new era. It's all or nothing, and it just might pay off.